What's going on, friends? FedEx just stopped by and dropped off this big ass Revzilla box. Stick around to see what's inside. Last week, my good buddy Ghost Ninja SD sent me a text message and said, "Hey Kenny, you need to look at Revzilla.com because the helmet that you want is on sale." I'm like, oh snap. So I go online and sure enough it is. So I bought a new helmet. AGV. Up until about 2 years ago, I'd never given AGV helmets a chance. But then my buddy Boris on Bikes convinced me that I should, and I've been hooked ever since. Oh man. That is beautiful. It's still in the bag and it's fucking awesome. Let's see what's in this thing. Oh man. What is that? What is that? Oh, that's beautiful. Introducing my brand new helmet, the AGV Pista GPR. Damn! Oh, shit. Holy fuck, it's light. Let's see what all came inside this box. We got a pin lock. Pin lock is very nice. It looks like there's a cleaning kit. If I'm not mistaken, my last AGV helmet came with one very similar. Ooh, I forgot that this helmet comes with a drinking system that you hook a camelback into. And this is a little hose right here. Oh man, this is dope. I might have to wear this to Palm Springs. Yeah, it's gonna be hot as fuck. I'm gonna have to drink a lot of water, and this is gonna be super handy. Wow, and it's so light. I think online it says 3.5 pounds. It doesn't even feel like 3.5 pounds. I mean, compared to my last helmet, the Shoei, and compared to the helmets I was wearing before that, man, they're like bricks compared to this guy. Holy cow. AGV helmets just have this feel of, I don't know, I can't really describe it, but the insides it's so soft. Like when you put your head in there, like it just feels good and it feels secure without being extra tight. Anyways, this is gonna be my new lid for a while. Thank you to Ghost Ninja SD for keeping an eye out for a bomb ass deal, and for Revzilla for sending it out so quick. I'm really excited to wear it, and it's gonna go great with my H2. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, thanks for stopping by. Be safe out there. I'll see you all again next time.